guys, welcome back. My name is Sushant Talwar and you're watching Digitotin. Today we have with us Xiaomi's latest flagship phone, the 12S Ultra. It's a device that's still not come to India, but we've gotten a sneak preview of this device. And today we're going to use this time, our access to the device, to give you a brief overview of what this device is all about and also unbox the device. So let's get started with the unboxing first. So this is possibly the most satisfying part of any unboxing. I personally love it the most. So let me just quickly take this plastic wrapping off. And now the most important part. Taking the device, opening the box so that I can eventually get to the device. So it's a standard box. I'm assuming there's some documentation. Yes, a TV cover inside with a cutout for the large lens system of the phone, which we'll get to in a bit. There is some documentation. No charging cable in here though. I'm guessing it's still inside the box. The phone itself, which I might add looks really special. I haven't seen anything like this for a very long time, so really looking forward to reviewing this and giving you more of our inputs about the device. But for now, let's fire this up and get to them, finish the unboxing. So yeah, interesting thing, we have a 67-watt charger in the box. Considering how most companies are shying away from including adapters inside the box, this is, I think, a good decision. Then there's a charging cable. And that's pretty much it inside the box. That's pretty much all that you get inside the box. So now that we're done with the unboxing of the Xiaomi 12S Ultra, let me give you a brief overview of the device. So this is, like I mentioned, this is Xiaomi's latest flagship. It's still not come to India. We still don't have any information on when it will be brought to the country. But what we can tell you is this is going, whenever we get it in the country, it's going to be one of the best, if not the best, camera phones around, because of the beast of a camera setup that Xiaomi has put on it. Underneath the hood, this has a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. It has a 4860 mAh battery, which should be good enough for a day and some more use. We have ample amount of RAM and storage. But like I said, the main story here is about the camera setup, which we'll dwell deeper into once we start reviewing the device, once we get some more time with the device.
On that note, I'd like to remind you to share this video with your friends and family if you like this video. And if you want to watch more such content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.